Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Solana video update. And guys, I just want to give you the refresher of yesterday, what was told. And so far, it seems like we are slowly progressing up to the journey to go all the way to the $125. Okay. And right now, we see so many bull cross happening, but Solana hasn't made the bull cross just yet. Bitcoin has made the bull cross. Okay. Now you might see this one go a little bit like this and like this and like that, and then boom, you're ready to shoot and take off to the skies, guys. And to me, 125 is nothing. I don't think this is the end of it. I think it's about to go to the $150. And if things get so bullish with Bitcoin as well, then we might see a huge wave just like we saw one over here. So if this history repeats, where can we go? That's the question. Where can we actually go? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna replicate this bar pattern from this low to this, not that one, bars pattern. Okay, so I'm gonna take the low here to that high over there, and if this repeats once again, you're gonna see Solana go to the 640 $641 if something like this happens once again. And that would be incredible, man. That would be like a nice lovely trade of like 400%, and this is believable. That's the beauty of this coin. You might see this thing just take off like this. This is what it does. You see waveform, higher bird's view, up, down, up, right? Come potentially again down to the 220, and then boom, up to the upside. So it is what it is. That's just what I see for Solana at this point of time. Let's see if it can happen. But if given if that history repeat itself once again, then yes, potentially you're gonna have a chance. I just want to see if I can confirm this on the fib as well. Yeah, you can see the 1.618 is also there, right? So 500 is something believable. But to me, guys, I've given a price prediction even previously, like 355 to me is a believable target that Solana can achieve in the next coming maybe couple of months or couple of weeks. And that's it for the update. We're still looking for the $126 and the 155, and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.